This 2026 CrossRoads Zinger 280RB is a travel trailer RV. It is located in San Antonio, Texas, 78227 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV San Antonio. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new CrossRoads is 32 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 5, Slideout, and 45 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, rear bath, U-shaped dinette. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.